If you are looking for how to type bar symbol in mobile keyboard, then I'll guide you how you can do that. There are a few different bar symbols you might be looking for. However, the vertical bar is the most popular. So this vertical bar is most common, used for programming or separating tags. So tap the button in the bottom left. So tap 1 by 2 button to go to the second page of the symbols. So the vertical bar is usually located on the second page. So click on that to type it. If you are frequently use the bar symbol in mobile, then long press the dot button and click on this pencil icon. And now you want to replace, for example, with the question mark, then so you need to click on the 2 by 2 button and click on this bar symbol, and here you can see that it has been replaced. Now go back and now hold the dot button. You will see that bar symbol is over here, so you can use it quite frequently. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.